You don't have to be a finance bro to get rich in the stock market. I built a $5 million portfolio from scratch by learning how to understand stuff like this. And right now, you're probably seeing a lot of headlines that say September is the worst month for stocks. So let's talk about what that really means, why it happens, and how you can use it to your advantage. Since 1928, the S&P 500, which is a collection of 500 of the biggest companies in America, has dropped about 1% on average in September. More than half the time, it ends the month lower. Why? It's not some mystical curse. It's not because Mercury is in retrograde. It's actually because investors come back from summer and clean up their portfolios. They sell the losers and take profits on the winners. And that wave of selling creates volatility. It makes the market look shakier. Kind of like the Sunday scaries, but for Wall Street. But this year could be different, okay? This is where it gets interesting. Companies, they're reporting stronger profits than expected. Tech companies, they are still leading the charge, and the Fed is hinting at cutting rates. All of that is like fuel for stocks. So while history says September is rocky, this time the setup is a little bit different. Now, this is where most people get it wrong. They're going to see a red month, or they're going to see the stock market go down, and they are going to panic. But if you follow me, then you know that wealthy people see this as a sale, a way to get richer with less, because short-term dips can actually be the best time to buy if you're thinking long-term. And that's how I built my portfolio, not by running from scary headlines, but by understanding them. So the lesson here is that September is not dangerous. It's that knowing how to interpret these patterns is what separates the people who get rich from the people that stay stuck. And if you want me to walk you through how to actually use this knowledge to grow your money and get really rich, take my free How to Get Rich in a Recession masterclass or my free investing masterclass on my website under freebies. It's going to change the way that you look at this stuff forever.